Buying Bitcoin on Robinhood or PayPal is like buying the deed to a house, but handing the only keys to a stranger. Sounds extreme? It's not. When a platform holds your Bitcoin, you hold an IOU, a promise that can vanish if the company goes bankrupt, gets hacked, or decides to freeze accounts in a legal dispute. Exchanges have custody, not you. That means limits, terms of service, and centralized control over your funds. If you can't explain the difference between an exchange and a self-custody wallet, you have no business buying yet. This isn't FUD, it's basic ownership. Imagine the deed exists on paper, but someone else controls the locks. You need to know what happens if the exchange goes offline, or if regional restrictions prevent withdrawals. You need control, not just visibility. Over the next chapters, I'll show you the wallet drill, break down hot versus cold storage with a hands-on unboxing, and walk through the 7 non-negotiable steps to actually own your Bitcoin. Stick with me. This is the difference between speculation and ownership. This is the wallet drill. 2 wallet types matter: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, convenient for daily use and trading but exposed. Think phone apps, browser extensions, or custodial wallets on exchanges. Fast access, but if your device is compromised or the service gets breached, your funds are at risk. It's like carrying cash in your pocket. Cold wallets are completely offline. Picture a hardware device tucked in a safe. No continuous internet connection, minimal attack surface. This is a Ledger Nano X or a Trezor, small tactile devices you physically hold after an unboxing. When you unbox a Ledger, note the sealed packaging, the recovery card, the USB cable, the tactile buttons. Everything screamed photorealistic detail and continuity. You initialize it offline, store the seed phrase on paper or a steel backup, and the private keys never touch the internet. Cold wallets are slower to access, but that's the point. Security over convenience. For large holdings, a hardware wallet reduces risk dramatically. Drill this into your routine in voice. Not your keys, not your coins. Not your keys, not your coins. Now let's move to the practical checklist. 7 non-negotiable steps to get you from exchange user to true owner. So here are the 7 non-negotiable steps to actually own Bitcoin. 1. Buy on a reputable exchange like Coinbase or Kraken. Use verified accounts and strong 2FA. 2. Immediately transfer your Bitcoin to your own wallet. Don't leave long-term holdings on an exchange. 3. Write down your seed phrase on the provided recovery card, then store it safely offline. Consider fireproof or steel backups. 4. Never share your private keys or seed phrase with anyone. Scams often ask for these exact words. 5. Use a hardware wallet, Ledger, Trezor, for large amounts. Treat it like a safe deposit box for your keys. 6. Test small transfers first when moving funds. Confirm addresses and test the full process before moving large sums. 7. Remember, not your keys, not your coins. Ownership requires custody. Stop letting strangers hold your financial future. Follow these steps, practice the wallet drill, and make custody a habit. Take control today. Own the keys, own the Bitcoin. Before you go, smash that like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell. New Bitcoin ownership tips every week. Join the crew.